First thing you want to do is put your stethoscope in, and then tap on here, put it in your ears, and then tap to make sure you can hear.
Oh my gosh, I used to play with this when I was little.
Me too. And tap it now. Can you hear that? If not, turn your stethoscope around. Your actual ear. Should be the other way.
Like this?
Yes. Tap again. Tell me where you can hear the best. Okay. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. You want to tighten it up completely. Perfect. And then you're going to pump up to about just to give us some room to 160.
And then lefty?
Yep. Go right. Tighten it up all the way. Perfect. Blow it up to 160. And we're doing 160 as a high number for her because she's so young, but we're just giving us time so you can hear it. Slowly, open your valve, very slowly, and then tell me where you hear the first beat. Oh, we're too fast.
Oh my god.
Blow it up again, blow it up again. It's okay. Takes a couple dozens before you can get the right speed. Okay, slowly let it go. And then let me know where you hear the first beat.
Oh, it's like okay.
Or no, it was like 130?
Yeah.
About 130? Okay.